It's given immense pleasure to introduce about Department of Electrical Engineering. It's a Kolhapur Institute of Technologies, College of Engineering, Autonomous, Kolhapur. This course, we can say, electrical engineering started in year 2018-19 with the intake of 60, which is affiliated to the Shivaji University and approved by the AICTE New Delhi. We have a full-fledged electrical engineering laboratory. Myself, Dr. Vilas, Bugade, working as a head of department and professor in this college. We have total 11 faculty which are completed their post-graduation and vast experience in the teaching, which is more than 5 years to each faculty. We have also full-fledged laboratories which have major equipments like power analyzer, electrical machines, and in case of power electronics, we have electrical drive circuits. In analog and digital electronics, we have boards where students can design electronics automation projects. Even Android-based switching of the electrical appliances or Android-based project. We have total 7 laboratories in the department where students are working for their mini project as well as the projects. Also, in this particular college, we have a BTech honors course in electrical vehicle technology, and we have chapters like IEEE student chapter. Then we have MOU signed with the Maharashtra State Electricity Board and so many other big companies which are located in the Kolhapur and outside the Kolhapur. So this electrical engineering is a core branch in engineering, which requires in all the sectors of the particularly in the industry sector or in a commercial sector or in a societal sector. So this is about the electrical engineering. Thank you.